बर्तमान समय आउ एक बड़ खबर को आसिबा एयर इंडिया को किणिला टाटा नीलाम प्रक्रिया रे सबुठु अधिक बोली लगाई एयर इंडिया बीड जीति नेछि टाटा ग्रुप। एयर इंडिया रो बिक्री प्रक्रिया रे टाटा सन्स सबुठारु अधिक मूल्य डाकी नीलामी जीतिछि। डिसेंबर परे एयर इंडिया टाटा सन्स हाथ को चली जिवो। 70 वर्ष परे पुणी टाटा हाथ को फेरिबो एयर इंडिया। 68 वर्ष तले जेआरडी टाटा 1932 रे टाटा एयरलाइंस रो स्थापना करथिले। द्वितीय विश्वयुद्ध पर्यंत विमान सेवा उपरे रोक लगाई दिया जाइथिला। विमान सेवा आरंभ हेबा परे 29 जुलाई 1946 रे टाटा एयरलाइंस रो नाम बदलाई एयर इंडिया लिमिटेड रखा जाइथिला। 1947 रे एयर इंडिया रो 49% शेयर सरकार नैथिले। 1953 मसीहा रे एहार राष्ट्रीयकरण होइथिला। 2018 रे केंद्र सरकार एयर इंडिया रो तांको अंशधन 76% रो नीलाम करिबाकू प्रयास करथिले, किंतु कौनसी कंपनी यहाकू किनिबाकू आग्रह प्रकाश करि नथिले। एबे नीलाम प्रक्रिया रे एयर इंडिया को हातेइछि टाटा।
61,560 crore. Out of that, the debt which will be taken over by the successful bidder will be 15,300 crore. As you said, that 18,000 crore is the bid, of which 15% consideration will be cash and 85% will be debt. So 15,300 crore will be taken off. So debt position after debt taken over by the successful bidder will remain 46,262 crores. That is the debt which is remaining. 46,262 crore. This is going to be going to the AIAHL. 46,262 crore. Yes, the airlines will get the debt of 15,300 crore, because that is the construct. You quote the debt you are going to take, and the rest will be hived off. Now, I would like to highlight here an important point. What is it that the government has put in Air India since 2009 and 10? The government has put in 54,584 crore as cash support. Since 2009-10, I am telling, not prior to that. And 55,692 crore as guarantee support. So, in total, government support since 2009-10 has been 1,10,276 crore. And largely, if you say, because if you have year after year after year after losses, so all these losses have actually been funded, some part from the equity, which was a minor part, largely through the government guaranteed debt. So therefore, actually, if you look at it, that there are no underlying assets as such, because this is all loss which has been funded through the debt which is guaranteed by the government. So the taxpayers have actually, put in 1,10,276 crore in Air India since 2009 and 10. 1,10,276 crore.
Okay, 1 to 1. Shishir.
Yes, I think that is up to them. So far as the bid is concerned, we will hand over, whenever the consideration is paid. Of course, the construct, the share purchase agreement, etc., allows them to go ahead with the mergers and other things. I mean, there is no restriction as such. Subject to, the restriction is subject to, during the time they will maintain in the equity lock-in period, they have to maintain 51%. That means the ownership. The ownership has to be there with the bidder who has got it.
Sir, I have two questions. Sir, one is, when you talk about 18,000 crore rupees of the bid, and out of that 15,300 crore is the debt and remaining in the cash. So what is the actual amount the government is going to get after this transaction is completed? This is